that I'm at an all-time. What's up, guys? It's Doomtop, and I'm here with my first ASMR video. I hope you guys enjoy. Am I soothing your ears right now? I hope I make you orgasm. JK. I'm gonna be doing some sounds. Here's some scissors. This is a water bottle. This is a rubber band. This is a penny. These are my sticky ass hands. This is my voice again. I hope that soothed your ears. I hope you enjoyed this ASMR video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe while you're at it. But as always, it's been Doomtop. Out, guys.
All this fucking money bring the finer things. Ay, slim thick with your cute ass. Ay, I might buy you a new